What's up, world? Welcome back to Rocco's Adventures. Today we have got another video for you, and this is actually a quick one because it's not that hard to make. It's got a lot of easy to find ingredients, and if you haven't figured it out already, this is the Oreo mug cake recipe. But you've all probably seen the normal Oreo mug cake recipe. Today we are going to be using Java chip Oreos, which is coffee flavored. And we've also modified the ingredients a little bit. So we're gonna start off with our cup. You're gonna want a fork for this. And then you wanna add your 4 Oreos. Slap those in. And then we're gonna pour in our 1/4 cup of milk. And then you want to smash it all together. We'll cut to when we're done smashing. All right, welcome back. So as you can see, we have crushed and mixed together our Oreos and the milk, and that is what it should look like. So you'll see it will be like dark and it will almost look thick, and you should see some specks of the cream. But now it's time for the rest. So right here we have 1 tablespoon of hot chocolate mix. And then you don't want to stir it just yet. And then we've also got another tablespoon of flour. And then another tablespoon of just normal sugar. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you want to just stir it together, just like this. And then we'll show you once we're done stirring. Alright, so we are here, and now we are at the last step. So that's what it should look like. It will be like almost this dark-ish paste. And then you're just gonna set it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And we will be back with the taste test. All right, so we are back, and it's been in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that's what it should look like. And now we're just gonna let it cool down for about 5 minutes, and I'll see you after that. All right, so welcome back, and here is our Oreo cake. So give it one more close up. All right, and we just scooped it out of our cup once it's done. And here, as you can see, I am joined with my sister. Hi. This is our first time on camera, and now we're each just gonna scoop ourselves each give us half, let's say. Now, Quinn, I'm going to give you the rest. All right. And then, there you go, Quinn, and here's your spoon. So we're each going to take a bite, and we're each going to tell you how it is. Wow. That literally, it tastes like it's the best. It literally just tastes like gourmet chocolate cake almost. It's amazing.
It tastes like brownie. It tastes like brownie. Damn, I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. Because it tastes like brownie.
It does. All right, so thank you, Quinn, for joining us for the taste test, and we'll see you guys in the next vid.